thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here, welcome back. I'm totally playing. No, but seriously, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Join in all the fun. Hit that notification bell because YouTube be playing. And in this video, we are gonna go through my September finds, stuff that I just came across that I want to try, things that I've just released, and all that good stuff. Excuse me, that's new to me and potentially could be new to you. So if you want to see what those are, keep on watching. Yeah. Okay, so moving right along, we can start with, I'll start with my brushes first. I got buku brushes here, and these are all from Morphe, a brand that I've never, ever heard you. I'm just kidding. I do a lot of song references, and yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. But this is the Morphe Y7, really good for foundation. I haven't used the foundation brush in a really long time. I usually use my sponges because Bakerie made the most phenomenal sponge ever for me. And yeah, so that's the first brush. It is fabulous. It looks luxurious. Yeah, and yeah, love that. It's really pretty. Can't wait to use that. And then next, I thought I had Tree of the Y collections, but I don't know. I only have those. So what we have here is the Morphe Y21. And this brush particularly I feel like would be good for that under eye shadowing. Here we have the Morphe M42. Again, Morphe is a new brand for me. I've never really used them. I might have had one brush in my life, but we just upped the game. So this is M412. Then we have the Morphe 169. Then we have the Morphe M408, which is dome shaped. There you are. Then we have, so this M330. This is what she's looking like. Sorry, I'm not making sense of this. Then we have the M441, which is a little bit more fluffy compared to the one I just showed you. And I think this might be a great blender, just to blend things out. So you know how when you have your clean blender and then your shadowed brush, I think that would be perfect for that. The ME27. Another great brush for your shadows. I think this, because it's I just feel like it's a little bit more dense and serious than the other ones. I don't know, I think that this would probably pack on a lot more. And for some reason it feels a little bit more luxurious. Like this feels like really hollow and this feels like a solid brush. So yeah, girl. And then my final two brushes from Morphe, we have the M514, which would look like a really nice blending as well. Or even if you do like that to get that technique, it has a nice effect there. This one I feel like is better for detailing, maybe, to get really precise what you want to do. So this is the M431. It's got a smaller round shape to it. And those are my Morphe brushes. These are all new for me, never actually used, so I'm excited to get into those. But I'm excited to try those out and see what they're all about. So keeping along the lines of brushes, of course, like I told you before, I'm a Real Techniques girl. So I had to go and do something crazy and get some of these brushes. So this is the Real Techniques Brush Crush second limited edition. So these are all new, straight out the package. Now this first one is the 305 shadow brush. So here it is up close. Really fluffy, nice little pattern going on here. And let's just read what this brush claims. Okay, so the Brush Crush is engineered for performance but designed to be Instagrammable. Girl. Soft, tapered, seamless blend eyeshadow into lid. So this is more for like blending, I guess. Which makes sense. It's kind of fluffed. But I mean, I feel like you could also apply foundation, not foundation, shadow with this, but very cute. And this is the 302 blush brush. And these definitely feel really, like you're getting great pack for your punch. They don't feel like hollow. They feel really good. And then this will just be, this is going to be a really, I'm going to love this. Because like, look at that. You can get right into that cheek. This is going to be amazing. Really love how soft this is. So I'm excited to get into this. This is probably going to be like soon to be part of my favorites because like just the brush itself feels so comfortable. Like the other one that to me was really big and spaced out. This, I can take my blush, one little tap and do that. And that's going to be phenomenal. Super excited about that. But this is the foundation brush, and you can see it's got that tapered situation going on. Let's see what it says about this. It's an angled, cut, easily buff creams and liquids for foundation. I am going to use this for this bad boy here. Contour. I might even use this for my micro smooth because the Morphe brush that Alyssa recommended was sold out. So that could be a possibility as well, but because it fits great into the hollows of your cheek, I think this would be a great contouring brush. I did not expect this kabuki brush to be as big as it is. Like, disco. I really just wanted a kabuki brush because, like I told you guys in my previous video, your girl doesn't touch up her makeup, and I wanted something that I could take along with me, and I expected this to be a little bit smaller, so I could just take my micro smooth and blah blah blah, do my little thing. I still might try to do that, but if I have a clutch or a small bag, this bad boy ain't going nowhere. And I didn't really think, I really more so got hooked on the look of it. A retractable one would have been preferred, so that way when it's in my bag it's not getting all dirty and germy, or a cover of some sort, so that way again the brush would be safe. So we'll see what happens with her. I'm not too sure how that's gonna work out, but I'm excited to see what's gonna go on with that. And then next is sponges. So I really do love my Beauty Bakerie sponges, like really love them. But we got these two guys here. Now I don't remember there being two, but there's the Cosmic Sponge Duo, so we'll see what happens with this. I honestly don't know why I bought these, because to me it just doesn't make sense. Like, to have to be going like this. I just don't feel like this will be that great, but we shall see. There's two different sizes: damp with liquid makeup, and bounce to skin for flawless finish. So we'll see with these also. Not sure how that's gonna actually play out, but I'm very, very much hopeful. Really excited about that. So that pretty much sums up my brushes. Now let's get into some makeup that I just purchased. So your girl went ahead and picked up the Saharan Blush Volumes 1. Yes. So let's just go through this and see what they're about. Here we are. 3 baby girls as usual. Now I don't know. Let's just swatch it, you know? Let's just swatch it. Let's not speculate. Let's just swatch. So this is that. The palette swatched. Again, I don't know if I would use these as blushes because they're a little bit strong. Now we have the second blush. These are blushes. Like, I can see these really being a thing. And these are beautiful. This is probably the palette that I'll reach for the most because the actual blushes are blushes. I'll hold them up together so y'all can see. Volumes 1 and 2. So yeah, we have 1 and 2. One is definitely that Va Va Voom. And then you have 2, which is for all of us who are into that no makeup look. So both beautiful. Now what I'm most excited about, and did y'all know that they were coming out with a foundation? Like, honey, hello, let's get it. So now we have the Royalty Loose Highlighters. And I got the Royalty 1 and 2. Because of my ring, you really can't see what's popping off with those, but yeah. Royalty 1, that metallic, and then the back, look, every piece of this is everything. I don't know if you can see that, if it's gonna pick up on camera. See, you can barely see it. That is like a really beautiful color. It is more gold, like a copper actually, color. And then we have the second one, which is beautiful also, small little thing. And this one's definitely like that rose gold. Ooh, I was able to get a lot. Oh baby, yes. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Oh, this. Look at it. Look at that. These are both beautiful. Shout outs to black owned brands. Coming for everything they deserve. And now my final thing, I'm not gonna really talk so much about because I do want to do a video on, but it is this brand, Horror Woman, Fearless Period. Hashtag Fearless Period. And this is a brand that is about women menstrual cycle. And they offer a lot of different things, and it's the new feminine for women. And I ordered some supplies from them, some pads and things like that I will talk about and give you more in greater detail. But this is, I'm like really excited about this and to share all of the information that I have on this brand. But again, everything will be in the description below. This is my final September find. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope that I was able to help you with something. I think that you should all go out and buy everything. No, I'm just kidding. If not buying at least 1 or 2 things, this second blush palette is a must. And the Rose Gold, the Royalty 2. Both of those are my def recommendations, but I love everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed, which I probably said already 5 times, but I hope you enjoyed. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And we'll see you in the next video. Be sure to share this video and give this video so many thumbs up. Go on all your Gmails and give me a thumbs up and help your girl out. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
It's lessons on lessons before I see blessings and questions on questions before I learn my lesson. Pastor calling me a sinning fool. It's cool. I got the hidden jewel. Take your ass to school. Get your ass in the books or send your bookings. I just keep hooking through life, making sure this outpour right. And some days I just want to take flights and leave the apple and find